New video for Stat 385. Okay, so this is a new week 8. We are going to wrap up topics with base R. And then after this week, we'll go on to the tidyverse and establish a new paradigm for data wrangling and just R programming in general. And so this week will just be kind of a catch-all to collect some last final thoughts on functions and then object-oriented programming through the S3 class system. Okay, so this week there is going to be a lot of background reading, roughly broken into two groups. So you could do these 5 resources or these 5 resources here. If you want to be thorough, you can do all of them, of course. Okay, but it's kind of a lot of stuff, but we can see, but it's, again, it's all important, and we can see different writing styles as you go beyond or outside of the Atomic R book written by Professor David Dalpiez. So good stuff here to go over before we get into videos, which there are several. So welcome to week 8. You're watching it now. Great. And then we have last thoughts on functions and factors. And then for lab 5, I've broken it up into 2 parts. This part isn't too bad necessarily. It's not too long. This part has a lot of work. So make sure you follow along closely. But keep in mind that the auto grader for this problem isn't too strict. Apparently you can't submit test cases code, something that actually gets like output, as I found out when submitting this. But other than that, it's actually not too strict of an auto grader. Okay, assignments due the following Thursday, and office hours, see syllabus. And then I know that there was an exam last week. However, I don't want to see anybody discussing the exam yet, just due to the fact that we have some administrative behind the scenes stuff to see to before we can discuss it. There's still not all the exams are in due to, various approved conflict requests. So I just don't want the exam to be discussed right now. And then, maybe I can let you know on Ed when it is fine to discuss it. Okay, that's it. And so this week, few topics, few assignments, last thoughts on base R, and then next week we'll move into the tidyverse. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the videos this week. All right, take care. Bye.